When the noise went quiet, the world was loud with answers I never asked to hear. Every voice knew my future, every hand pulled me near. I ran until the echo of my own breath felt wrong. That's when the noise went quiet and I finally heard my song. When the noise went quiet, I found solid ground. No applause, no rescue, just truth all around. The silence didn't empty me, it showed me what was real. When the noise went quiet, I learned how to feel. I thought peace meant stopping, but it meant standing still, letting clarity catch up to the strength of my will. Stillness isn't weakness, listening deep. What survived the fire? I carried everything and thought I had to save it all. But fire doesn't negotiate, it just asks for what won't fall. Some things burn fast and loud, some things wouldn't bend. When the smoke finally cleared, I knew who I'd been. What survived the fire wasn't loud or proud. It was quiet endurance, it was staying around. Not every loss was tragedy, some weight needed to go. What survived the fire was the part I now know. I don't mourn the ashes, they taught me release. Truth doesn't burn away, I let it hurt, I let it hurt. I spent years out running, every ache in my chest, calling numbness survival, calling silence rest. But pain kept knocking, soft and loud, till I stopped pretending and I bowed. I let it hurt and it didn't destroy me, I let it speak.